And then I got the opportunity I got a career break, and I got the opportunity to go back to college, go to university. Did my primary degree in mechanical engineering. Then I traveled a bit into the US. I worked for a couple of materials handling companies. It was probably giving me a lot of background information for, how to move things around in machines, belts and pulleys, linear slides, that kind of thing. That would be the basic, nuts and bolts of what any kind of machine that we make now is kind of all based around that. And then I got the chance to initially, I applied to do a master's in aerospace structures and materials in Trinity College, which is a very reputable university, the top in the country. And the course, actually, I got accepted. Only one of two people to get accepted onto the course. Wow. So the course didn't run because only two people went for it. So nice. The head of the department actually rang me up. I was in Philadelphia and said, "Would you like to do a research master's in using materials, using finite element analysis, stress analysis of bulk metal forming, of how materials kind of deform on the load?" So I came back for that, and within the first year, I transferred from my master's degree. I did a transfer report, and if you can get past your transfer report, they'll enable you to transfer into a PhD. So after my first year master's, I transferred into a PhD, and 2 years later, I got a PhD using primarily finite element analysis to model metal forming, how metal kind of forms under huge pressure.
So that's really interesting. Actually, I'd like to take one step back to something that you're saying. I mean, it's really unusual, at least with the people that I've spoken with, for somebody to go to a PhD level and then not